up, y'all? We're out at Top Trails. It's gonna be a fun weekend, and we're taking over the camp, man. We got several RVs. There's my ride in the background, but we got several RVs here today. There's Louie and his ride. We got Chip and his ride. He's got a new Turbo S. We got Marshall over there. He's got a new Pro 2-seat. We got Dave here. I think they got a couple 4-wheelers. We got Russell right here. I don't know where he's at, but he's got a Can-Am. We got Marty and Wendy. They got their high lifter. I think we got the next camp behind them, and then Tom is back there somewhere. But man, this whole side of the camp, we're taking it over. There's Russell. I didn't get you on video. Do it again. I didn't video it. Get it, Scotty. Get it, Scotty. Hey, put it in 4-wheel drive. Put it in 4-wheel drive. You're good. You're good. You're good. Hell yeah. Scotty's got cojones now. He's learning. You doing it? Yeah, buddy! Wow! Woo! My butthole puckered up a little bit.
I was like, oh my god,
Babe, did your butthole pucker up a little bit?
Oh my god! I mean, he just kept it.
It was smart that he kept going. It's smart that he kept going. Dude! Holy shit, Drew! Dude, he damn near flipped the Hey, how's your butthole?
I was vertical.
How's your butthole? How's your butthole feeling right now?
I know.
He was up. And he just kept his foot on the gas. And then went through the beginning.
Good job. Hey, good job. Because you kept on it and you turned it back,
Yeah,
which
I had to cut back into it.
dude.
I thought you were jumping
Yeah, I went up to the left. I was fucking. I'm like, oh, you should turn back.
You didn't even know what the fuck you were doing. You're like, okay.
Oh my gosh.
That scared the living
Louie,
shit out of
Louie, your turn. Drewski, how was your first 5 hills run?
Dude, that was an ass puckerer.
You should have came back from that bush.
I did come back. I mean, actually,
You kept going.
Is it Drewski or is it Poopski? It was
I think it's Poopski.
It was a little bit of Poopski, but
Hey.
I can do it again.
A few moments later.
What's up, y'all? So I'm on vacation. I got my second COVID shot yesterday. And this morning felt okay. We drove out to Top Trails for the weekend. It's Thursday. And it hit me like a ton of bricks. I feel like dog poo-poo. It's bad. Whew. I need to fight it off so I can so I can get to doing what I love to do. So, more to come. Hopefully I can fight this off.
One eternity later.
What's up, y'all? Yesterday, I was absolutely limited. Whew! That Pfizer shot kicked my ass, the second shot. But we're good to go today. We're gonna get it on today. Drew, what are you doing?
What are you doing? We're
Drew,
about to go ride.
I just want to know, is your butthole still puckered from last night?
Dude. I haven't seen the video yet. But I remember I was looking at the sky. It was
I haven't seen the video either.
It was pretty ball clenching.
It was bad. It was bad.
So.
Babe, do you remember that last night?
I remember that you had the COVID.
Yeah, I had the COVID. All right, we're ready to go. We got a lot of people here. It's Friday now.
Day 2.
Get up closer.
Yep.
You'll be limitless when we get back to camp.
I'll show you matches y'all show.
Yeah, you do. You do match. You're in theme.
A few inches later.
Laid on its side and then come back on its feet.
What happened? What happened was?
I was going up the backside of Gents Mountain one day, or the other side of Gents Mountain one day. Was going up through there, and it just laid on its side, and it sat there for a second, and just went back on its wheels.
Those wheels are so wide. He comes back from it. Hey, are you recording? Okay, you're recording. He says he's not going to get tippy, but we're going to find out really quick. He's got fucking rear tires on the front. He got tippy. He got tippy.
Hey,
You got some footage.
hey, your new name is Teeter Totter.
Teeter totter.
Teeter totter.
Your name is Boxman.
That's a good one.
Teeter Totter Tykes. Teeter Totter Tykes.
Triple T.
Yes.
Triple
Yes,
T.
it is. Yes. And I'm ready to share saliva because I'm vaccinated. I've been missing Shane's.
Oh no! Jump off!
Nah, he's got a foot on the ground.
Oh shit. Oh my god.
Oh, he's got it. It's the rut.
Move.
Yep, yep. Woo! That's a
He's
deep.
braver than I am.
Hey, those are deep ruts right there,
Yeah, they
bro.
are. He's braver than I am.
Nice. Stay out of the rut. Just gotta stay out of that rut. Easy peasy. Turn passenger. Turn passenger. Yeah, now go down. Okay, go up. Yeah, back down.